Welcome to my natural hair journey. I am Joy. I've been natural since 2015. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Hey y'all, so as you can see by the title, today we are going to be doing a takedown of my twist. I've already showed you guys how to put twists in, so now I'm going to show you how to take them down by fully separating the twist. So this is a problem I had when I first went natural of how to keep it like defined. So hopefully I can help just one person. If I help just one person, then I did my job. So I'm just going to start by just separating the twist from itself first. So I'm going to go through and do each twist like that, just so they all can be undone to get ready for the actual real takedown, the pop-in takedown. So after joking around, I'm just trying to make sure I don't have any twists left in my head because it's easy to forget some. See, I had one left. I think that was the only one that I had left. But like I said, it's easy to miss some. So yeah, now we're going to get into the separation part. So you're going to pull the twist down and then find where it naturally separates. So once you find where it starts to naturally separate, you're going to pull it away from the rest of the group, and then you're going to twist it the way that your hair was twisted so you can keep that curl. So this just helps define the curl. You don't have to twist it around your finger if you don't want to, but I find that this makes it even more defined than it is if you just pull it away from each other. See, look. Can't wait till the end product.
His dad. They were training in the backyard for years and years. And at this very moment, he has the dunk package of any NBA superstar. He will be the #1 draft pick in the league.
So yeah, and you're just going to keep doing the exact same thing. And so I twisted my hair to this side of my head, so that's the way I'm going to be twisting all of the pieces of hair around my finger. And like I said, this just makes it even more defined than it would be if I just was to separate it and not twist it around my finger. So I went off camera to basically finish the rest of my head, and now I'm going to come back to finish these last few that I have left, and I'm actually going to end up zooming in so I can show you guys a close-up of what's actually being done. I find it, when I watch tutorials, I like when they zoom in so I can actually see, you know, what is going on. You can see the movement, you can see the hair, you can see everything. So yeah, I hope this video really is helping you guys, or at least somebody that you can understand better, like how to get a better twist out. And then if you try this method, come back and let me know if it works for you. Don't forget to share it to help somebody else. And like I said, I hope you like it, and I'm just gonna let you finish watching it now. So I am finally done taking it down. This actually takes me about an hour to do. So yes, it is a little time consuming, but it is definitely worth it. You guys saw the videos and the pictures. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll probably add the video actually at the end of this video of me how I take it down in the morning time. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and share it so we can have a big old happy natural hair family. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Ta-da!